As of the end of October, Ford had 190,000 Bronco reservations made. And you know what? There was more options coming with this bad baby. Not all accessories have free installation either. Now, we're still months away from the on-sale date of the 2021 Ford Bronco, but excitement continues to grow. The Bronco official build and price configurator only went live about a month or so ago. And as of this post, and as of this video, 450,000 virtual Broncos have already been built. It seems Ford has reasons to boast about the Bronco popularity, but we still haven't seen everything Ford will offer once it goes on sale. Finally, right? Accessories are a big part of the Bronco experience, and we knew there would be more to come on the dealership side. However, Ford Consumer Marketing Manager Mark Gruber explained to Motor1.com that more options will be added to the configurator closer to when the order banks open. He also shed some light on the process behind Ford's plan for the Bronco accessories. Now, in terms of some of the options or restrictions, it's such a big launch in terms of the level of complexity that there will focus on is some of the higher volume options at launch to ensure we can get the highest quality product, he said. When you're playing around in the configurator build and price section, the accessories shown are just a small selection. The accessories right now are those that are going to be installed at the plant or mod center. We're seeing huge demand on accessories. That's what the concepts were made for. They were made to show the accessories. So load those accessories on, baby. Now we heard rumors that a standalone event dedicated solely to Bronco accessories could be coming as early as November. 200 plus accessories will be offered, all total including those added at the factory and the plethora of dealer installed items. It seems Ford is banking on Bronco buyers diving into the world of accessories and getting lost there and spending oodles and oodles of money. So it certainly makes sense to sweeten the OEM pot at the time of purchase. To that end, we're also seeing reports that dealer installed accessories will not have an extra installation charge. Now those are reports, and boy oh boy are we hoping that that's true. However, that's not entirely true. What? In the build and price, you'll see a few more options as we get closer to the order bank opening, said Gruber. The majority of the accessories will be installed at the dealer. The installation included with the price is not for all accessories. Now, there will be some more being added at future dates as far as accessories concerned. Now, regardless of accessories, the Bronco appears to be as popular as ever. Now, Ford previously confirmed that 165,000 reservations for the off-roader, with unconfirmed reports saying that it's a total of 230,000. Gruber now confirms over 190,000 reservations are in the books, and that was back on October 26th. And while these aren't actual sales yet, there's no denying folks are excited to get behind the Bronco wheel and actually become a part of the Bronco world. But boy, man, this black diamond, I tell you, it tugs my heartstrings in every way, folks. Just how clean the black diamond is, how clean the Bronco is. It's just amazing. Now the $38,985 to $41,450 Bronco Outer Banks, which is another one that we're not seeing here, but we've seen the black diamond. I actually think the black diamond is actually above the Outer Banks. The Outer Banks is like luxurious, but the black diamond is what it is. It's going after the diamond, folks. In order to get to that diamond, you're gonna have to go through a hell of a rough terrain. And that's what this black diamond is all about. But back to the Outer Banks. Additional luxury included the high gloss wheels, the LED headlights, the larger 12-inch display as standard. This is also where you start to see leather upholstery. Ford also paints the exterior door handles, mirror caps, fender flares to match the body. Heated seats also come standard, while owners can access the high-end luxe packages at this point. But back to the black diamond. Boy, does it look beautiful. I gotta stay away from the black diamond. And let's dive back into the Outer Banks, per se. Matter of fact, let's jump into the Wild Track. Ford describes the Bronco Wild Track starting at $48,875 and $51,370 as a desert runner. And to support that mission, it comes standard with a larger engine option as well. And that's the twin-turbo 2.7-liter V6. That also means you likely won't find a Wild Track with a manual gearbox. This is also the first trim where the 35-inch rubber and the bead-like capable wheels come standard. The mid-pack comes standard, although you'll stick with cloth seats. Both the high and the luxe pack are available as a leather upholstery. Now, the one thing that's cool about the Bronco leather upholstery, they build it with the same engineering and skill as building a beautiful baseball glove. And they're saying that it will age like a baseball glove, which means the older it gets, the more character it has. And hopefully that's the story too with all Broncos. The older it gets, the more character it has. And if that is the case, that's going to help in your residual value. Now, while the Wild Track is also about bouncing over open terrain, the Bronco Badlands is for low speed off-roading, and it's therefore the closest analog to the Wrangler Rubicon, which Wrangler Rubicon starts at $42,000 to $44,590. It essentially marries a number of the lesser trims with a host of off-road equipment. Now back to the Bronco. The Sasquatch Pack adds a few bits of off-road equipment. 35-inch wheels, the locking diffs, while leather seats in all three option packs, the mid, the high, and the luxe, are also available. Now in the limited run, of course, we all know that those are sold out at $7,000. At first it started off at $3,500, and then it went up to $7,000 because the demand was just off the chain. But you're talking about a price from $59,305 to $63,500. Now that don't include tax. Now it's carrying the Badland mechanicals with the best bits of the Outer Banks cabin, the Wild Track exterior. You'll also score the Luxe Package, Sasquatch Package, unique graphics, shadow black hardtop, and the unique interior touches. This is just amazing, folks. Now, all of these are sold out. But who knows? You might be one of those lucky people that can still score a first edition on the secondhand market, or someone will want to come off of it really quick. Now the Bronco pricing looks like this. The Bronco base, $28,500 for the 2-door. For the 4-door, $33,200. Now these are estimates. Now the Ford Bronco Big Bend, $33,385 to $35,880. And the Ford Bronco Black Diamond, $36,050, for the 4-door being $38,545. Ford Bronco Outer Banks being $38,955 to $41,450. Bronco Wild Track, $48,875 to $51,370. And the Ford Bronco Badlands, $42,095 to $44,590. And last but least, the Ford Bronco First Edition, $59,305 to $63,500. So folks, get your money right. Get your money right and make this purchase, because it is awesome. What an awesome SUV. Can't say more, folks. Many accessories, many accessories. This one right here we see, it's just loaded. A true desert runner. The Ford Bronco. Look at that beautiful hardtop. There's that beautiful leather interior. The technology inside is to die for, folks. Everything in the Bronco is just purpose built. Guys, A Automotive Reviews. Thanks for watching. And just remember, all the installation items are not free, like I thought they were. But some of them are, so just look closely. Thanks for watching. Remember, like and subscribe. Much love.
If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more interesting videos.